Good afternoon, YouTubers. It is Friday, day after Thanksgiving, and I got my little helpers.
Hello.
We are pressure washing the pool deck. Family's on the way from Miami. So the little helpers helped me take out all the furniture out to the grass area. We got a guard dog there making sure nobody comes in. So the plan of today is to pressure wash the pool deck.
Yes.
And I've got helper A and helper B.
And your helper C.
We're gonna interview helper A. So tell me, how long have you been pool deck cleaning slash pressure washing?
15 minutes.
15 minutes, that's awesome. How about you?
0.
0. So what's the game plan? What are we gonna do?
Well, we're gonna vacuum the carpet,
Okay.
and then you can move your weights, I guess.
Okay, we can probably pressure
And then
wash
clean
those.
the egg sac.
Yes, because look at this. I've been lazy and haven't been doing weights, so it has a bunch of spider webs on them. So we're gonna have to fix that.
Okay, over here.
You gotta get a game plan together first,
Okay.
and then we execute it, okay?
So I'm gonna do.
So we're gonna start. We'll come back in here in a bit. And we're gonna make a step A, B, C, and D of pressure washing the pool area. All right. We are done vacuuming.
Yep, we finished vacuuming. I am what am I?
A little prep work before we use the pressure washer.
Yep.
Helper A did a great job vacuuming. Helper B did a great job vacuuming as well. So now, here we have
Our beautiful pressure washer.
electric pressure washer, 1700 PSIs, 1.2 GPMs. In order to put the hose in, it's gonna go righty-tighty, lefty-loosey.
Light.
Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. All right,
That
so we're gonna connect the hose to it.
belly don't fall in.
So let's go ahead and set this up first, and once we have it hooked up, we'll come back in, and you guys can see us pressure washing.
So guys, we have now have our pressure washer connected. So, as you guys saw, we have connected the hose all the way to there. Then
Okay.
we had to untangle this
Okay.
thing to
Okay.
this power washer, whatever this is called.
Power washer handle.
Power washer handle.
Okay.
Then the way it's gonna work is this black cord that's connected all the way over to this electric.
We got some power now.
It's loud, so be careful. guys.
Alrighty, so we got the soap already in the washer,
Or it
the
says
pressure
soap.
washer, where it says soap.
Right?
So
Right there.
normally you would go ahead and put the soap in there.
But we
And
don't have
now we're gonna go ahead and start. Wait, very important. We gotta start the water.
to. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
We've gotta start water here, people.
Then it'll turn on. Because we have a can. Ooh, don't let me.
Here we go! Woo!
It looks really fun.
Here it is. And now we just start pressure washing, making sure that we get all the dirt out, making sure everything is nice and clean. All right, so now we're gonna let you guys do it.
Pretty hard.
This is one of the important steps. Making sure that all that dirt is in there is scrubbed off.
Get this so there's no. And then that's the hard part.
Wash it off. Make sure you don't get any of that soap in the pool. Okay.
Guys, we have a new helper. Helper C.
Helper C.
Nope.
Just woke up.
I'm not a helper. Oh.
You're the critique. You're gonna tell us if we did a good job. You're gonna score from a 1 to 10.
Right now.
It's wet.
So Violet and Marina started on this side, so this side is done.
Okay, now we just gotta do this.
Then we did the whole pool.
Now we
We
just gotta,
pressure washed it,
we gotta
and then we
finish.
did this part, which we still gotta let it dry. And then we're gonna go ahead and sweep it up. And we are pretty much done. What you guys gotta say about your first experience pressure washing?
Well, I gotta say that I think I did a really good job.
About you?
And,
What do you say?
I just think I did a really good job too. And then it's a very good workout.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Helper C, what do you think about the whole thing? How does it look?
What?
Tell us your opinion. How do we rate on Yelp?
A 2 right now.
A 2! A 2 out of 2.
Okay,
Great
really,
job.
really bad right now.
A 2 out of 10.
So far because it's wet. Yeah.
Oh, because it's wet. Some parts are rusty, so we're gonna have to paint over them.
Hey.
Where we had the grill. So in January we'll go ahead and paint over them.
Woo!
But
And we'll do another
so
video
far,
that day.
so far, everything looks really nice.
And on January that day we'll do another video.
We'll do a video of us painting the pool deck. All right, YouTubers, last words.
Hope you guys like this video. Here's some tips that you guys can learn how to clean up your porch if you have a porch or something like this.
Yep.
And it's our first time, and hope you guys liked it. See you guys next time. Subscribe and turn on the notifications, and give this video a big thumbs up.
Woo!
Bye!
Here's the finishing product. A clean pool deck. Decorated it. We got the pool blanket off. We got the little pool living room. Everything is washed and clean. Now time to enjoy the night.